Welcome to the Performance Objects recorded webinar for Wayland University on how to do a review for managers. This is the Performance Objects login screen. When you receive an email in your email inbox directing you to this link, simply log in with your email and your password. If it's the first time entering to the system, you'll be given a system-generated first-time password. Once you have logged into the system, you will arrive at the workspace page. This is your workspace page. As you can see, your name is written in the top left hand along with your position, your supervisor, and the department that you belong to. The section below is called your task list. This is where any of the tasks that you are being asked to do are listed. Each of these includes some text on what you need to do and a link directly to the task. In this case, we are being asked to complete a review on our supervisor. Please click on the link. This will open the direct form that you are being asked to complete in regards to your direct supervisor. As you can see, there's a series of competencies that are listed that you are being asked to rate from unsatisfactory to exceeds expectations. Please ensure that you take the time to read each one as they relate to your direct manager. Simply clicking on the radio buttons will allow you to make the selection that you feel is most appropriate for each of the competencies. You'll notice that when you make a selection, the button highlights yellow, letting you see that you have in fact picked one, and also highlighting the areas that you still need to do. Again, move through the form, taking time to think about your responses. If at any time you want to leave this form and come back later, you can use the Save and Share Later button, which is located both at the top and the bottom of the form. This allows you to completely leave the system if you need to and then re-log in and complete the form later. Maybe you need to go and do something else, or you want to spend more time thinking about your answers, so you're more than welcome to do that. Once you do come back to the review, continue providing your ratings as you see fit. At the bottom of the form, you also have one question box where you are able to add any other feedback or comments that you might want. This comment box doesn't have any caricature limit, so you can write as little or as much as you want. Once you feel comfortable with your entire process, use the Submit Answer button to submit the answers to the system. Please note that this is a 100% confidential and anonymous form, therefore your direct manager will never see your direct responses in relation to your name. This is a safe place for you to provide feedback and comments, so please feel ensured that this is in fact such. Once you click the Submit Answers button, you'll see a pop-up box asking you if you are sure. You can click OK, and your feedback has now been provided. This feedback will be compiled with other feedback from your peers that also report to the same direct manager and will be compiled into a final report. Again, your answers will stay anonymous, so your direct manager will never know that you provided specific comments. Now when you go back to your workspace, you can see that the task is no longer available and you have completed this portion. This finalizes this demo on how to do a review on your direct manager.